If you want to create voice memos on iPhone 17, what you can do is you can use the Voice Memos app, which you can find by going to Utilities folder in the home screen if you still have it. And there we go, over here we have Voice Memos, or you can just go to the app library. And over here, once you go to the app, you should be able to tap on this red button at the bottom of the screen in order to start recording. And that's all you have to do. Now we are recording the audio, and you can also swipe up like this in order to find more options. And you can also tap on this icon in the bottom left corner in order to find the transcription. And once you are done, you can just tap on the pause button over here at the bottom of the screen. You can also add a vocal layer if you want to record another layer of a voice, of course, by pressing this plus button. You can move left and right in here in order to rewind or go forward. And in the bottom right corner, we have the playback speed and the studio voice option. On the left side at the top, we have 3 dots where we can copy the transcript or trim. And if you want to save the recording, just tap on this check in the upper right corner. And there we go. You can also tap on the name later on once you are in all recordings in order to change the name of the recording. Tap on these 3 dots over here in order to find a bunch of different options. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.